At RPM LoneStar, we help Austin property owners and small investors maximize rental ROI with stress-free property management. With our free personalized rental analysis, you'll discover exactly what your home could earn and how to protect your investment. We help small investors, first-time landlords, and busy professionals grow their rental wealth without the stress of managing it themselves. With RPM LoneStar, you get expert local management plus advanced financial tools like Blanket and Wealth Optimizer to protect and grow your investment. At RPM LoneStar, we handle everything: leasing, maintenance, compliance, resident communication, and reporting, so you attract better tenants, protect your assets, and grow your investment with complete peace of mind. In Austin's competitive rental market, RPM LoneStar minimizes vacancy, protects your investment, delivers consistent income, and helps you grow long-term wealth, so your rental performs like a top-tier business. With personalized attention and data-driven insights, we help protect what you've built and unlock the full potential of your portfolio. Our portfolio strategy session is included at no cost for Peace of Mind clients. We manage homes across Travis, Williamson, and Hayes counties, from established neighborhoods like Lakeway, Avery Ranch, Steiner Ranch, and Circle C Ranch, to fast-growing markets like Pflugerville and Manor. Wherever you own property, our local experts protect your investment and maximize your ROI. Partner with RPM LoneStar for expert Austin property management. We'll handle the details so you can grow your wealth with confidence. Thanks for watching this video.